Oh, Benny, what you doing? Go ahead. Go cut it. Cut the wire. Got a couple goodie. 350Z's, bumper, tire, fender, exhaust, 10 Coil, brand new in the box. Have my man Benny. Hey Benny, tell him what you built.
I'm building a drift car.
Drift car. What kind of drift car you got?
A 350.
350. You see this man there? What you got there? Seems like there's 350.
Send it, baby. I already see something. Ooh, crazy. This the one you gotta build yourself, baby? Yeah, how you doing? Okay. Is that it? You see that thing, baby? Yeah. So, give me. That's beautiful, man. How is it? Put it over there, baby. Oh, put it down right here, then. Lay it down. Good. That's what's up. Put it in. See what this is. See what that will do. Put it over. Oh, that ain't good. Oh, I think I'll go again. Leave it in. Put it down, wait.
Buster! New 10 Coil on this baby. Show you something.